Good morning, sir. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, sir. I'm feeling a little salt operating my throat face full of mouse.
Yes, sir. That's normal after surgery. I help you choke up the mucus more easily using the effective choking technique. Have you heard of this technique before?
No, sir. How do you do it?
The effective choking technique is the correct way to choke up mucus without tiring yourself out. Let me explain the step, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to try.
First, sit up straight in a semi-polar position. Then, take a deep breath into your nose. Hold it for a moment. And then, exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat 3 times. After that, take another deep breath, hold it for a moment, and then choke for carefully while pressing down on your stomach with a pillow the prevent pain.
Yes, sir. How does it feel? Is my mouth coming up?
Uh, Excellent, sir. Do this technique regularly, especially if you feel a stuffy nose or runny throat. If you experience any other symptom, please let me know immediately.
Thank you very much, sir, for your help.
You're welcome, sir. I will document the result in medical record. I hope you re- recover soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.